Hi everyone, welcome to Makayla's Playground. Today we're going to play Rainbow Splat, and I'm back with my mommy and daddy unicorn.
Hi guys.
Hello.
I mean
Ralph.
Rainbow Ralph, I mean.
Or Rainbow Wrap.
And don't ask, they made me wear this.
Here is our Rainbow Ralph.
This is Rainbow Ralph. Daddy has no clue how to play.
So
let's explain it.
So can I read the instructions?
Sure.
So first you put a silly string in here.
So let me show them.
Then if you push the unicorn down.
It comes with silly string too. And this actually, you could purchase more. It's regular silly string, so any can of silly string could fit in here. Ouch!
And guess what? If he throws up silly string, you're out.
So the whole thing is you're supposed to spin them around
Until he ralphs.
until he ralphs. Yes, exactly.
And guess what? You can complete it. It says be the first to complete your rainbow.
Okay, so let's
Daddy,
do
do you want
this.
to go first?
So, I don't know how to play.
So this is
Second last.
Let's make up some rules. So we're just gonna take turns to spin them, and however, as you can see on the wheel, has all the numbers. So whatever number you land on, push his horn down that many times.
Okay,
Daddy.
Got it?
ready, go.
I can.
3.
I took it off. So you can wear
Now you messed up my
Okay.
hair.
So
Yeah.
the first time we're gonna.
Cutting off the supply to my brain.
So how
Okay.
many?
Do not get silly
Three.
string in my hair because I.
Okay, you got 3.
Okay, I'm gonna do 3 at Makayla
Okay.
and Mom. 2, 3. Okay.
Okay, so he got me. Thanks a lot.
I will get him back.
Don't.
Thank you. Okay, go. Okay, your turn. Spin it.
Okay.
So what does that mean? Does that mean that I won or lost? It's according to the rules. It says if you collect these, up to 3 that you
Okay.
win.
Mommy,
So
what does
we
that
obviously
mean?
don't play by any rules. We're
What
just
does that
gonna
mean?
spray
What does that
each
mean?
other a
We
lot,
could
I guess.
anyway.
Okay,
If
go.
we wanted to.
Okay,
1.
1.
Okay.
Who's gonna spray
We're
that?
gonna spray it
I can shoot at Daddy
Of course
because
you
you shoot it.
at your mom.
What?
Okay. Why do you keep spinning, cheater?
Okay, that looks like 2.
Okay.
So
He's aiming it for
you
my
gotta
face.
aim. You gotta aim it. No, that's here. I'm giving it a target. I'm
Thank
giving it a
you.
target. Don't spray it in everyone's eyes or anyone's eyes.
1.
Who are
I
you
think
gonna spray?
that's a 4.
That's a 4.
Okay, it's a 4. You can take turns if you want, or you can get dad the whole time. Aim it at him. Oh!
Okay.
I did it.
Good
That was pretty cool.
job.
Okay, I get it. Okay, try again.
4.
Spray out down.
1, 2 to dad. Oh!
Getting it right.
Whoa, 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 4.
4.
Who are you gonna get?
Dad.
Why do you guys always go for me?
Watch out, don't shake the camera. You're shaking the camera.
Okay, let it go. My turn. Okay, here, you can just leave it right here.
No, it's mine. It's
turn.
Mom's turn.
Oh, sorry.
Cheater.
Cheater or something.
OMG.
Silly string.
OMG, OMG.
Oh my gosh, what do you have on your head?
Okay, 3. Go.
I'm gonna do it one at a
Okay.
time. Dad, Mom, Dad.
Just give
Okay.
Mom. Mom likes all of them.
1,
It's not even on me.
2, 3.
Shut the wall. Almost broke the window.
No, 2. Is it 2, Mommy?
Yeah.
Yes, 2.
Yeah. Let's.
That's fine.
1.
But you gotta aim like that. Okay, go.
1.
Oh! I got you a lot.
Too much.
My hands are slippery.
Yeah.
Because the silly string.
Okay.
3.
3.
I'm done.
Oh!
4. That's 4?
That looks like 0.
No. What is that?
Depends. Who are you gonna get?
What is that?
2.
Gonna get
Oh,
down.
if it's down 4.
No.
Should I get on his horn?
Oh. Ooh.
Let me ride on you.
4. I'm gonna get both of you right now. Oh! Look at it, I barely got him.
My turn. Oh.
What is it?
3. 3? Is it 3?
Okay.
Is it 3?
Go. 3.
And she would eat that.
Hey, you
1,
gotta aim though.
2, 3.
Oh, I got
Wait.
lucky. Wait. Okay, go.
Got you right in the face.
I never got one yet.
Hey,
I haven't got one.
you haven't?
No, I haven't sprayed once.
No way.
I don't know. Let's watch the tape
Yeah,
again.
well, but
Rewind.
it's my turn.
Yeah, of course, because I'm
4.
Jabu. Do not get me.
What'd you get?
4.
44. Hey! No, you gotta aim it right there.
So it lands in the middle of the 2 numbers, so she'll ask me, what?
We're
3.
being unicorns today.
Yeah?
Look at, do you know what's more?
Stop it!
You got it, Joey!
Oh, this is, he got me. This much.
He
Okay.
got me this far!
Okay. Whose turn next?
2.
2.
Okay, go.
Okay, I'm gonna aim right here. Here, right?
It's the power of my horn protecting. That's my whole magical power. Okay, 4.
Magical power of cheating and landed on a 1.
Do not do it.
1 plus 3.
Yeah, you got me finally.
Okay. Ready? I almost knocked my eye
Do not get us.
Oh, she's going down with mom. Okay, that's enough clicking. Clicking. Clicking.
out. Yeah. Kids are like
Yes.
gremlins. No chocolate after
Right here. Right here.
7.
Right here.
Yeah. Oh, what was that? Whoa, man, she wanted to spray it so bad she broke it. It shoots out of this right here, so you gotta aim that like at my nose. Go. Oh! 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 We did it! We did it! 10 points!
You got it on
Yeah! That's a record! Man, that was awesome! Good job, Makayla!
Good job.
That's good aiming!
Mommy, aim it at my nose, okay?
I don't think we can recreate it. Close your eyes though. Close your eyes.
It's not gonna work like that. Okay, that was so
That was-
funny. Here,
Wow.
here. Oh, you want to be like mom and dad?
Okay, here we go.
Okay, enough. Where'd it go?
Right here.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You're not a good hairstyle.
Oh.
What? You look so cute. Oh.
Oh! I'm spinning for
This is
you.
what all the cool
Yours.
this is what the cool unicorns
Oh,
are
what
doing.
is that?
Huh?
Is that 4?
Yeah.
Aim at my nose.
3.
Stop.
Did you see Dad's horn?
Daddy!
Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes.
Dad's wearing a mohawk.
It's right there.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
I'm gonna aim it at your nose.
Okay. Go.
4.
Okay.
Okay.
Did it get me? Did it get me?
Yeah.
Oh. Not in my mouth. Yeah, not in my mouth.
I'm just not so.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Not, make sure you know where to aim it. Like not point blank. Not point blank. Not point blank. Not like right in my face. Like scoop back.
I get it.
Come on, your turn.
Like this. Okay, you gotta
Like this.
Yeah. Machine gun. It's all done.
Okay.
Did I got my arm?
No, you're fine. Oh, in.
There's no more.
Okay, no.
Good.
There is more.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Do this. We have more in here.
Let's finish this round.
Hey, look.
Oh my mouth.
Sorry. Okay. Let's finish.
Yeah. So when it gets to the end of the can, it spits. Last round, everyone.
3.
Power round.
3.
Okay. 3. Okay.
It's my turn. My turn. Okay.
Can you do it at me?
All right.
Let's see.
So we never follow the rules, and this always happens. Thank you.
Come out, still. Let's still have more.
Let me help
Hey, what?
you. I did.
Not a lot more to go still. Okay.
Okay. It's all done. Oh man. Okay. Are you spider girl? Wait. Hopefully you enjoyed this time with us. Because after you turn this video off, we're going to be cleaning for 2 days.
Come on.
Till the next video.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoy my channel. If you want to watch another Rainbow Ralph Makayla video, touch here. If you want to watch the second one, please click the bell button right here. Bye, and thank you. And stay up with you.
Bye guys.
Bye. Thank you for watching. Whoa.